Hi friends, hope you enjoyed making bubbles the other day. Today we're going to be making something called elephant's toothpaste. Here are some of the items that you'll need. First, a pan, preferably a deep dish because it might get messy. Hydrogen peroxide, some dish soap, an empty water bottle, some warm water, a cup to mix with some kind of stirring utensil. I'm using a wooden stick, a funnel, some food coloring, a half a cup measuring, a 1 tablespoon measuring, a 1 teaspoon measuring, and some active dry yeast. First, put your bottle in the middle of the pan and put the funnel in it. You'll need half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Be careful not to spill it on your hands, it might irritate it, but if it does, if you do spill it on you, go wash your hands immediately. Put it inside the funnel. Move the funnel. Put 2 squirts of dish soap. Just 2. 1, 2. Then I just take it and swish it. Swish it for about 15 seconds. Swish, 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 swish. Then we're going to move that to the side. We're going to get our cup. You'll need 2 tablespoons of warm water. 1, 2. Then you'll need 1 teaspoon of your active dry yeast. Okay? And stir that up really good. You want to try to get all the yeast to dissolve in the water. Stir, stir, stir. And after you do that, pick out your favorite food coloring and just add a couple squirts. I'm going to do red. Just a couple. 1, 2. And then re-stir. Stir, 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 stir. Try to get it all to dissolve. The fun part's coming up. Okay, after that's done, bring back your pan with your bottle, put the funnel in, pour the mixture into the funnel, and then remove your funnel and watch what happens. Do you see why they call it elephant toothpaste? Would you brush your teeth with that? No, I wouldn't either. It's gonna go for a while. Now you see why you need the pan. All right, well there you go, elephant's toothpaste. Go have some fun.